Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of options trading in India. One question that frequently pops up is, who is the best option trader in India? We'll explore this topic in depth, so let's get started. The trading legends. India has its fair share of trading legends who have made a significant impact in the world of options trading. One notable figure is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, often referred to as the Warren Buffett of India. While he's primarily known for his stock investments, he's also made substantial profits through options trading. Other notable traders. Apart from Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, there are other notable traders like Ashish Chugh, who gained fame for his successful options trading strategies. Additionally, professionals like Manish Dewan and Gaurav Bisa have made significant strides in the Indian options trading scene. The best trader, a subjective question. Now, the question of who the best option trader in India is can be subjective. It depends on various factors like trading style, risk tolerance, and individual preferences. The best trader for one person might not be the same for another. Learning from the best. Bonus point, rather than focusing solely on who the best trader is, consider learning from these trading legends. Study their strategies, understand their risk management techniques, and incorporate their wisdom into your own trading journey. Learning from the best can significantly enhance your trading skills. In conclusion, while there are trading legends in India who have achieved remarkable success in options trading, the notion of the best trader is subjective and varies from person to person. Instead of fixating on this question, focus on continuous learning, honing your skills, and developing your unique trading style. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more content related to finance, trading, and investing. Remember, the path to success in options trading lies in your commitment to learning and improving your skills.